Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing this massager pillow, which is super needed for me at this moment. Comes with a charger. It attaches onto, this can be great for a car. You just put this on the back and just get massaged all the way throughout your drive. This is great. Aha, this is how it gets plugged into your car. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This attaches to here and then plugs in. There's actually a few ways that you can do that. You can massage your waist with it, arm, it's not just necessarily a neck per se, abdomen, leg massager, back massager. It can massage wherever you want. This is on. I'm assuming that this button is for to attach it to connect it in your car for the Bluetooth and stuff so that it can activate and turn on. All right, everything is plugged up, ready to go. Let's press on. Ooh, and then it just go ahead and it just starts. Let's just press this just to see. Yeah, so this is definitely for the car. So you just put it wherever you want. Ooh, oh, that feels really good. And then you can move it wherever you would like. Massage the head, this arm here. If you would like to purchase this massager, check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.